Hey, cool cats and kittens, dwellers of the YouTube. Quick one. If you have seen my video when I replaced the fog lights with LED ones on my car, and which will be up here for you to view, you would know that I was moaning about the fact that I didn't have the proper tools. In fact, I was missing the so-called Torx key, and I just wanted to quickly show you what I've just got today. I actually used them 5 minutes ago. Torx, 24 pieces Torx bits, Hakkin. That's what's inside them, if you're interested. You know what? They're cool. They do the job. You take them out like this. You got the long ones here, the short bits here. They come with this quite swanky L sort of screwdriver-y tool, and you just grab the bit that you want when you want it. I promise it comes out easier than this. There you go, just like that. Put it here and twist and turn, or put it here and twist and turn. I think this is a really good idea. The L shape. You can get into really tight spaces if you put one of this little bad boys in here, if you don't have much space to turn, or go like this. Yeah, I mean, nothing revolutionary. I just remember that I moaned about not having the proper tools when I made that video last time, and now, funnily enough, I do actually have the proper tools. It just happens that they are in the garden, in the toolkit that I have in the garden. But this one I want to have in the car, so whenever I need it in the car or around the house, this is gonna be there. It's from Amazon. Obviously there's gonna be a link below, because I wanted to buy it and make me filthy rich. Hakkin, 24 pieces, Torx bit, magnetic, whatever. Go check it out. I like it. It's cool. Comes with this together. If you're in the business for Torx bits, man, oh man, this is the one for you. If not, thanks for watching anyway. Ciao, I love you, bye.